We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. Today we are working on the Buick. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for your boy. We also might be selling the Malibu today. We gotta see. You know, a lot of people have been saying that they want to come out, but ain't nobody came out. Been like maybe 2-3 days, 4 days, something like that. I'm not sure. But let's show y'all. Let me show y'all what's going on with the Buick. All right, so we got to get the Buick. We doing the brakes and we're doing the changing the oil. Let me go ahead and finish this oil change up and do these brakes. I'll get back to y'all in a second. And make sure you follow your boy on Instagram at wehustledaily.co. That's wehustledaily.co. Let's go ahead and get to work. Gave me the wrong filter. Come on, bro. Take this on the other side, shall we? that. Got our brake pads on. Now we just gotta pump it up and go get the correct oil filter. All right, so if you check out the oil filter, there it is. Check out the oil filter that they gave me, and check out the one that is needed. You can see that this one is like, it's got a little a hump in it, and this one don't. So, god dang on parts store, let's take this back and get another one. Only paid $5 for this one. I wasn't trying to pay $10. I might have to go to Walmart. Let's see. Let's keep it moving and take this back to the store. All right, we did get another one, and it looks the same. He said it shouldn't matter, so we're about to see if I can put it on. I don't know why the other one didn't go on, but let's try this one out. All right, and the oil filter went right on there. I don't know what that was about, but if y'all remember the see, it went right on there. I don't know what that was about, but if y'all remember the Honda Civic, about the bid on the Honda Civic, the green one in the previous video, so let's see if we can get it. All right, see what they gonna let us get the Civic for, if they'll let us get it. Okay, let's try 600. You've been outbid. Let's try the 800. Really don't want to pay no more than that for real. Ugh. Let's see. Gonna give it to me for the 8. All right. All right. They gave it to me for the 8. So I think that's $1,000 out the door for that one. So let's see if we got it. All right, and the car is on an if at 800. So I'll check back with you guys later and see if I want it. All right, we're gonna pour our oil in here. Yeah, I'll be using 10W 40. I know. I think this only calls for 10W 30, but I personally put 10W 40 in all my cars. Y'all can let me know what y'all think, but I've been doing it for years, and that's just what I do. Y'all let me know what y'all think though about using like thicker oil and stuff. Curious to hear y'all opinion. But your boy be using that 10W40. So let me go ahead and finish this up, and hopefully we can sell a car today and make some money. You see it, $1,073, man. That was more that was higher than the bid for the Ford Escort, man. The Ford Escort came out to like $1,034, and it was the same bid, 800. But let's go ahead and get this cleaned up, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, Hustle Nation, we just sold the Chevy Malibu. Damn, he riding off already. Y'all see him? He gone. So we just sold the Chevy Malibu. Run down the price for you guys real quick. All right, Hustle Nation, man. So we just sold the Chevy Malibu. We got $1,400 for the Malibu. We had a total of $942 in the Malibu. So we made exactly $458 off the Malibu. We had to buy that fuel pressure regulator, and we had to get emissions, and we had to do the Uber ride. You know, the bid was $700, came out to $840. With all of that, came out to $950, you might as well say. So it took me a good week to sell that one. So 500 in a week, not too bad. So y'all heard it first, man. Probably could have got more out of it, maybe 15, 16, but man, I let the cars go. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think though. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to join the Hustle Nation. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Make sure y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Ray. I'm out. Peace.